There are many ways to make paper stars, and I'm going to show you one of those ways right now. My name is Robert Segundo, and I'm going to teach you how to make the Chinese Lucky Star. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a little strip of paper that we've cut off. And what we're going to do is make sure your strip is pretty long, because what we're going to do is we're going to tie a knot into our paper, like so. And basically what you're doing is you're looking for that pentagon shape we have going on here. And what we're going to do is we're going to fold this up over, like so. Just going to kind of keep folding it over and over, like so. Then when we get to the end here, we got a little bit left over, so what we're going to do as well, let's take it back one, because we really don't have enough left to tuck it in. Just going to take it and fold it over until it's a little triangle. And I'm going to tuck it into the bottom here. So there we go. We have a little five-sided shape there. And what you're basically going to do is you're going to take it, you're going to try to press into it and make it 3D out as much as possible. Some parts won't work. You might have to get in there with a pencil or a pair of scissors. Now usually you make these a lot smaller. They look a lot better. I'm just making this one kind of big just so it shows on camera well. Let's see, where's it at? There we go. Kind of open it up some, and then you just kind of press in your points, or press in your sides and bring out your points, like so. This one's going to be rather ugly because it wants to fall apart. That's pretty much it right there. There's your basic little paper star, your lucky star. So play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.